Millions of broken smartphones are discarded every year, hiding a sparkling, precious secret within their dead circuits.
Beneath the shattered glass lies pure gold, waiting to be reclaimed and reborn through advanced industrial science.
The journey begins at a specialized recycling plant, where tons of e-waste arrive daily from across the globe.
Here, skilled technicians carefully sort the devices, separating smartphones from other electronic components with precision.
First, hazardous components like lithium batteries must be removed to ensure safety during the upcoming thermal processing.
Next, the outer plastic casings and aluminum frames are stripped away, isolating the valuable core electronics.
The ultimate target is the motherboard, the brain of the phone, where the highest concentration of gold resides. The separated motherboards are transported on a conveyor belt into an industrial recycling machine, where they are processed into smaller pieces for efficient material recovery. Massive mechanical force reduces the complex circuit boards into uniform, coin-sized fragments within seconds. This crushed material contains a mix of fiberglass, copper, plastic, and precious gold flakes. To isolate the precious metals, the shredded mixture must first pass through a series of advanced separation phases. Powerful magnetic separators instantly pull away iron, steel, and other magnetic metals from the conveyor line. The remaining mixture now holds a much higher concentration of precious metals, ready for thermal processing. The concentrated electronic mix is transferred into a specialized pyrolysis furnace to burn away organic compounds. Heated to extreme temperatures, all remaining plastics and resins are safely vaporized, leaving only raw metals behind. What emerges is a concentrated metallic ash, completely free of organic impurities and ready for chemical refining.
As the material cools, the metallic particles solidify, setting the stage for the acid dissolution process.
The cooled metallic ash is pulverized into a fine powder, maximizing its surface area for chemical reactions. Inside a controlled laboratory environment, the chemical extraction phase begins with strict safety protocols. The fine metallic powder is carefully measured and transferred into the chemical reactor vessel. Nitric acid is introduced to dissolve base metals like copper, nickel, and iron, leaving the gold untouched. A violent reaction occurs as the base metals dissolve, turning the liquid into a rich copper nitrate solution. The solution is filtered to separate the dissolved base metals from the solid, gold-bearing residue. This dark, unappealing mud contains all the gold, now completely separated from the copper and iron.
The drone data is fully uploaded. I am heading to the extraction point now.
In a controlled laboratory, the chemist prepares a specialized chemical solution used in precious metal refining. Every step follows strict safety procedures and professional laboratory standards.
The fresh Aqua Regia is poured onto the residue, initiating the final and most critical chemical extraction.
During this stage, the material undergoes a controlled chemical processing step. This produces a clear, golden-colored solution. It is then ready for the next phase of refining under professional laboratory conditions.
Gentle heat is applied to ensure that every microscopic fragment of gold is fully dissolved into the acid solution.
A secondary filtration removes any remaining insoluble impurities, leaving a crystal-clear, gold-rich liquid.
The resulting emerald yellow liquid holds the dissolved gold from hundreds of discarded smartphones.
To turn the dissolved liquid gold back into solid metal, a chemical precipitant is introduced into the flask.
A dramatic reaction takes place as the chemical bonds break, forcing pure gold atoms to group together and precipitate. Over several hours, the heavy, solid gold particles settle to the bottom of the vessel as a brown powder. The barren acid is carefully decanted, leaving behind a thick layer of high-purity elemental gold powder.
The gold powder undergoes multiple washing cycles with boiling distilled water to ensure absolute chemical purity.
An ammonia rinse is applied next, neutralizing any remaining trace contaminants like silver chloride.
The ultra-pure brown gold powder is filtered one last time, preparing it for the intense heat of the furnace. Every gram of this unassuming brown mud is actually precious gold powder, nearing its final transformation.
The powder is placed into a high-temperature drying oven to evaporate every remaining molecule of moisture. Once dry, the powder is ready. Though it looks like ordinary dirt, it is actually 99.9% pure gold atoms.
The process now moves to the foundry, where intense thermal energy will give this dust its classic metallic form.
A graphite crucible is prepared and glazed with borax flux to prevent the molten gold from sticking to the walls. The dry, high-purity gold powder is carefully transferred into the crucible, ready for the ultimate transformation.
A final layer of borax flux is added to absorb any remaining trace oxides during the melting process. The crucible is lowered into the induction furnace, an advanced machine capable of generating extreme localized heat. The furnace is powered on, sending powerful electromagnetic currents surging through the walls of the crucible.
Within minutes, the temperature passes 1,000 degrees Celsius, and the brown dust begins to glow with intense heat.
At 1,064 degrees Celsius, the transformation is complete. The brown powder has melted into a liquid sun. Nearby, a solid ingot mold is preheated and lubricated to receive the liquid gold without causing thermal shock. With absolute precision, the glowing crucible is lifted, carrying the molten treasure extracted from thousands of phones. The brilliant liquid metal flows smoothly into the mold, shining with the undeniable luster of pure gold.
The mold is filled to the perfect level, capturing the exact shape of a classic, high-purity industrial gold bar.
As it meets the cooler air, the surface solidifies, shifting from a fiery orange back to its natural yellow hue.
To rapidly cool the metal and finalize its crystalline structure, the bar is taken to a water quenching station.
Submerged in the cool water, a cloud of steam erupts as the gold bar instantly cools down to room temperature.
What emerges from the water is a solid, gleaming ingot of pure gold, completely transformed from e-waste.
Any remaining flux residue is brushed away, revealing the flawless, bright yellow metallic sheen underneath.
The bar is placed on a certified scale, measuring the exact yield of precious metal recovered from the discarded phones.
An advanced X-ray fluorescence scan confirms the ultimate quality, pure, 24-karat gold of investment-grade standards.
the bar receives its official stamps, certifying its weight, purity, and origin for global commodity markets. A final visual inspection ensures that the bar meets the strict aesthetic and physical standards of the mint.
The secure asset is placed into a fortified vault, ready to be reintegrated into the global financial system.
From the depths of broken, discarded electronics, science and precision have reborn pure, everlasting wealth.
Turning the waste of today into the treasure of tomorrow. This is the sustainable future of technology and resource reclamation.
If you enjoyed this deep dive, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe. Drop a comment down below and let us know, what process do you want to see uncovered next?